Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best healthy dog treats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pet Botanics Training Rewards Flavor Dog Treats. Pet Botanics Training Rewards are a popular choice for dogs of all sizes, as the soft, bite-sized treats contain just 3 calories each. They come in several flavors, including bacon, salmon, chicken, and beef, and they're also a great value with around 500 treats in every bag. These training treats are made in the USA, and the main ingredient in them is real pork liver. They're made with a special blend of botanical ingredients, and they're free from BHA, BHT, soy, and ethoxyquin. The small size and soft texture is ideal for training, but we're betting your dog will happily accept them as an everyday treat, as well. Moving on at number 4, we have the Virbac Set VEGGIEDENT Tartar Control Chews. Dental care is important for dogs of all ages, and the Virbac CET VEGGIEDENT FR3 Shish Dog Chews are a great way to control tartar on your dog's teeth. These dental chews are approved by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, VOHC, and their unique shape and consistency helps to freshen breath and reduce plaque and tartar. As their name suggests, the VEGGIEDENT chews are made without any animal-based ingredients, yet they're still appealing for dogs to chew on. They can be given a few times a week to help keep your dog's teeth clean, but be sure to take into account their high calories and adjust your dog's food accordingly. There are also several sizes of these treats available, so pick the one that correlates best to your dog's size. At number 3, we have the Pure Bites Chicken Breast Freeze-Dried Dog Treats. If you want nothing but the best for your pup and are willing to spare no expense to get it, you'll definitely want to consider Pure Bites Chicken Breast Freeze-Dried Dog Treats. While certainly not cheap, these freeze-dried treats are made with just one ingredient: chicken breast. There are no preservatives, additives, or fillers, and of course, they're sure to be a hit with your pooch, as they're made from real chicken. These freeze-dried treats are sourced and made in the USA, and there are just 3 calories per treat. The original ingredients are freeze-dried to remove water while preserving the nutritional value of the meat. At number 2, we have the Eukanuba ACTIVTrainer Dog Treats. Looking for a low-calorie treat to help your dog lose weight? The Eukanuba ACTIVTrainer Dog Treats are one of the lowest-calorie options you'll find, containing less than 2 calories per treat. These salmon-flavored treats were formulated with nutritionists to ensure your dog's health comes first, and they're ideal for both puppies and adult dogs. Salmon is the first ingredient in these low-calorie treats. There's a chicken flavor available, as well, and they contain DHA for healthy brain function and a healthy coat. The bite-sized form makes them easy for dogs to eat, and because they contain so few calories, you can use them while doing repetitive training with your pooch. They're soft, but don't crumble too much or leave grease on your fingers. And finally at number 1, we have the Blue Buffalo Blue Bits Soft Moist Training Treats. If you have a large breed dog, you might be looking for a treat that's a bit more substantial, but still healthy. One of the best options for larger dogs is the Blue Buffalo Blue Bits treats, which come in several flavors and are free from artificial preservatives and flavors. These treats are shaped like bite-sized hearts, and their soft texture allows them to be broken into smaller pieces, if needed. Real chicken is the first ingredient, and the treats also contain oatmeal and flaxseed to support healthy digestion. The Blue Bits treats don't contain any corn, wheat, soy, or meat byproducts, but they do have added DHA and omega fatty acids to boost your dog's skin and coat. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.